Hi, I'm Steve with Ackcio. Welcome back to our series of quick tutorial videos designed to help you get the most out of your Ackcio equipment. This video will guide you through the process of pairing a node. Let's get started. To pair your node, you'll need the following equipment: an Android device with the Ackcio Nimbus app downloaded, the OTG adapter that came in the box with your gateway, and a USB to micro USB cable. Once we've gathered our equipment, we can remove the lid from the node and get everything connected. Plug the USB cable into the micro USB port of your node, with the other end attached to the OTG adapter and connected to your Android device. Now, we'll need to connect your Android device to the Wi-Fi network created by your gateway. Open up your network settings and look for a Wi-Fi network named Ackcio_beam, followed by the 4-digit device ID of your gateway. The password for this Wi-Fi network is admin, all one word, all lowercase. Once you've got that entered in, go ahead and click connect. You may see a pop-up indicating that internet is not available on this Wi-Fi connection. This is completely normal and to be expected. Let's go ahead and click the Keep Wi-Fi Connection button to make sure that we stay on the gateway's Wi-Fi network, and we'll be ready to proceed. Now that we've connected to the gateway's Wi-Fi network, we can go ahead and open the Ackcio Nimbus app. You'll see a pop-up asking you to allow some permissions related to the USB connection between Ackcio Nimbus and your node. Please ensure you allow this connection. Next, tap the Start button on your screen to enter the app. Here, you should see the name of the project you created on your gateway. Go ahead and click the download icon to the right of it. This will download the project configuration from your gateway into the Ackcio Nimbus app. Once the project configuration is downloaded, we're ready to pair our node. Let's go ahead and turn on our node using the on-off switch inside. Once the node is turned on, you should see the green SYS LED begin blinking, and you may have to allow USB permissions again in the app. Now we'll tap the Pair Node button in the bottom left of your screen. This brings us to the node setup page. Here we see lots of valuable information about our node. We can edit the name of our node if we choose to. Here we can see the node's firmware or version, a count of how many sensors have been set up to the node and their sampling rates, current battery voltage, as well as transmission information. To continue past this screen, we'll just press the Setup Sensor button at the bottom. On the Sensor Setup page, click the arrow on the right side of the screen to open up Sensor 1. On the Sensor Settings page, you can edit the name of your sensor by editing the sensor code field, and then enter in all of the necessary parameters. For this analog node, we have options for excitation time and voltage. Different node types will give you different options for different sensors in this field. We'll have more videos coming soon with detailed instructions for our other node types, so please stay tuned to our YouTube channel. When you're happy with your sensor settings, tap the Save Sensor button at the bottom of your screen. Your node will now take a reading from your sensor if you've got one connected. Readings for the sensor you've set up will now be displayed. When you're ready, tap the Start Monitoring button at the bottom of your screen. Now you can set your sampling rate to an interval between 5 minutes and 24 hours, turn data retransmission on or off, and set your memory erase to ensure any old data from your node is removed. You'll now see a pop-up indicating that your node has been commissioned, which leads us to the final and most critical step of this process, the project sync. You'll notice the project sync icon in the bottom right of your screen is red, indicating that data needs to be synced with your gateway. To perform this sync, we'll need to reconnect to the gateway's Wi-Fi network, or in our case, make sure that we're still connected to it. Once you've verified your Wi-Fi connection, go back to the Nimbus app and click the red Project Sync icon. Your node configuration data will now sync between Nimbus and your gateway. Upon completion, you'll arrive back at the project page. Simply tap the name of your project and you'll arrive at the Setup Project page, where you'll notice the Project Sync icon is no longer red. The green LED inside the node will continue to blink while the node searches for your gateway. Once it stops blinking and turns off entirely, you'll know that the node has established a connection with your gateway. This concludes our tutorial for pairing a node. Please feel free to reach out to us at support@ackcio.com if you've got any questions. Thanks for stopping by.